we believe that this is not
for the enemies of this country. Daban Bogu. Some of us are not, we are not oblivious to the fact that maybe it happened in Katsina. Nobody is happy it happened in Katsina. But what has jolted us is that it has never happened here before. So when something happens that is new, you know that the people react.
Rehabilitation and repair of part of the churches and reward for information that can lead to, the arrest or apprehension of anybody involved, so that there will be a big lesson learned from this. Encourage the police to do a lot of search and investigation. This one must not let go easily, so that those who participated or masterminded the situation will never have to do this type of thing again.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.